Okay, we're going to have a look at solving simultaneous equations by substitution this time. So this is more of an algebraic method. So instead of having to draw the graphs, which can be a pain, we're going to have a look at solving them just using algebra. The idea of using substitution is you're substituting one thing for the other. So you're substituting one unknown for an expression so that we get rid of one unknown. We can then solve it and find solution for the other unknown and then change it round. Okay, so if we have a look at the first one, I've got y equals 3x plus 1 and y equals x plus 7. Now both things here are equal to y. I'm going to call this one equation 1, this one equation 2. I can set them equal to each other. They're both the same thing. So I don't need the y's in anymore. So I can go straight to 3x plus 1 equals x plus 7. And now we're back to just solving a basic equation. So this equation is no different from the equations you were solving before. I've got rid of the y's, so it's not there anymore. So I'm going to bring my letters to my left, numbers to the right. So 3x stays where it is. This x moves over. So plus x there becomes minus x. 7 stays where it is. And plus 1 becomes minus 1. Tidying up then, 2x is 6. So x is 3. Don't stop at that point. That's only half done. I've found what x is, and I need to go back and find what y is. So I want to sub x equals 3. I'm going to sub it into equation 2. It doesn't matter which one you sub it into. So y equals x plus 7, but I know x is 3. So y must be 10. So my solution is x equals 3, y equals 10. I can check this in my other equation. It's always worth a wee check. So checking on 1, I've got y equals 3x plus 1. I've worked out x is 3, so y is 3 times 3 plus 1, which is 10. So I still get 3 in, 10 out, so that solution works for both equations. Try the next one. I've got 3y add 2x equals 4 and y equals 5x add 7. So there's my equation 1, there's my equation 2. I've got an expression here for y, so I'm going to sub 2 into 1. So instead of having y in here, I'm going to replace it with 5x plus 7. I've still got my plus 2x, it's still equal to 4. I'm just replacing that y with my 5x plus 7. Multiplying out the brackets, 15x plus 21 plus 2x equals 4. 15x plus 2x, 17x. Here I've got plus 21. 4 take away 21 is minus 17. So x must be minus 1. Remember, we haven't finished once we found x, that's only half finished. I'm going to sub it into equation 2, because equation 2 is simpler. So equation 2 is y equals 5x plus 7, x is minus 1, so I'm going to replace that x with minus 1. So 5 times minus 1 plus 7, which is minus 5 plus 7, which is 2. So my solution, x equals minus 1, y equals 2. So a bit more room here. There we go. We check. Checking 1. I've got 3y plus 2x equals 4. I've been told y is 2. 3 times 2, x is minus 1. It's 2 times minus 1. I'm hoping it's going to be 4. That gives me 6 plus minus 2, which is 6. Take away 2, which is 4. So that works. So the solution is x equals minus 1, y equals 2.